Your classroom environment is really important, and it should allow the student to have the best possible classroom experience.
The setting should be somewhere designated to teach, so maybe not the couch. Keep your pets away from the classroom in case they start barking. And make sure your kids have somewhere to go. I do have fast internet, but to make it even faster and more reliable, I plugged it in directly to my modem using an Ethernet cord. This is much better because it's quiet and it's free from distractions. But I'm noticing that the angle isn't quite right. It should be more eye level or higher. Good, this is better.
Some earbuds don't really have good microphone quality, so you'll have to check that beforehand to see if it works. Either way though, before you actually begin teaching a VIP kid, you should get a headset. So the headset that I actually use the most is this one. It's Logitech brand, and it was only about $20. You can get it at Walmart or Best Buy or anywhere online. And I like it because it's noise canceling. It's got a handy dandy mute button you can use between classes. It plugs into your computer using the USB, so it's just automatically set up as soon as you plug it in. And it's pretty comfortable. If you want to upgrade, you could get a different headset, like a gaming headset. This one's wireless, so it has a Bluetooth on it, and then you can dance with your student if you want to or whatever. It does have a mute button on the side. It's very comfortable for long-term use because it's for gaming actually, and this one's by Lucid Sound. So usually it helps to add a little bit more lighting in order to have a nice bright and inviting classroom. Okay, so I went to Walmart and got one of those $10 LED lamps that just goes right on your desk. And because it is so bright, I ended up grabbing some parchment paper to diffuse the light. I actually just kind of taped it on there. And I grabbed two of these so that there's one on either side, and that way it doesn't cause shadows coming from one angle, but it kind of has both. Okay, good. So the next thing I'm noticing is that the wall behind me, it does seem a little bit plain. So you want this to feel more like a classroom, so it's educational in some way. So I'm going to add some elements to my background right now, and you can help me. Whiteboard or map? I like the map too. Nice. Okay, should I handwrite my name or print it out? My printer's broken, so I'm going to handwrite it. Okay, good idea. I like it. Okay, now should I clip my reward system onto this random bird or this pencil? Both came from Target, yes. Okay, the pencil. I like the toucan better, but no, I agree. Okay, so my lesson that I'm teaching is level 5. So which rewards should I use? Should I use this one? It's fish. You can even count all the little fish when you're done. Or this one's emojis. So yeah, I think this is probably better for level 5. I would agree. Okay. Okay, the final test is to see if it actually looks good in my classroom when I log in. All right, there it is. This is actually a square shape, so it cuts off a lot of the window. So when you're making your background, it actually helps to do it when you're actually in the classroom. Okay, I think my environment is optimized for teaching. Thank you so much. If you thought this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want more help with the hiring process, please add me on as your referral if you have not already used a teacher to refer you. And that information is found in the description below. I have a website that has a lot of useful information on it. Plus, you can just email me, or you can even video chat with me one-on-one, and we can have a practice session if you want to before your mock class. So yeah, keep in touch with me and let me know what's going on with you in the hiring process because I'm here to help you. All right, see you guys. Have fun teaching.